Okay, folks, we have first contact.
You have first contact?
We have first contact.
First contact.
Minute or two late on it.
Okay.
Get your solar glasses.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so all the lights are turned on.
Whoa, it's getting
Yeah,
so
like
weird.
over there in the parking lot, you can see those lights.
No, well, no, in a minute,
Amazing.
you'll want to look at someone else's
Actually, it's not
glasses, but I'll tell you when.
It's just
Because you won't get to see that again for a long time. Wow. See how dark it's getting now?
Yeah, it's barely any sun left.
You don't even need a lens.
Wow. See how dark it's getting to the west.
wow.
20. Remove camera filters.
Wow, look how dark it is.
15.
Okay. It's getting good. Yeah, you can see Venus over there. That's Venus you can see.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Glasses off. Glasses off.
Okay, you can look right at it. Take off your glasses.
That's so cool.
But I only see two bananas.
Okay. I think it's just the clouds. You're seeing Venus over there.
Oh my gosh.
I know,
That's
that's
Jupiter up there.
cold.
Yeah, so Saturn is just lost. Yeah, notice the horizon is, it's like a reverse sunset.
Yeah.
The horizon's light.
Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. That's incredible.
Oh, that's cold.
Well, that is,
That's so cool.
Things still going on.
oh, that flare will be going on for hours. That flare is bigger than Europe.
Oh my god, it's a bigger flare. It just got bigger on the bottom.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nina, did you want to come see this? Bob.
You won't see another one in your lifetime.
Yeah, you're right. Bob,
Not
you
at our
wanna
age,
see-
no.
Thanks.
The girls will, but
Yeah.
So I can move the ladder if it's in your way. That was for Evie.
Okay, do I look through here
Yeah,
then?
Yeah.
look there.
you have to wiggle around a little bit.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, try not to move it because it's really hard to move.
Definitely not bad.
Okay, we got 20 seconds left.
20 seconds. Okay, Bob, you look through there?
Real quick.
Marty!
20 seconds left behind you.
Yeah, you look real quick. Okay, about to go back right. Okay, you're done. You're done. There it goes.
Okay,
It's
don't.
over.
Wow. Don't look at it.
Glasses on. Don't look at it without your glasses. Don't look at it without your glasses.
It really happened. I'm glad I came out here. With you guys.
Isn't that incredible?
Yeah. Wonderful thing.
What? You're repeating yourself.
15.
You've already had third contact.
Glasses.
Okay, well, that's all right. The app paid for itself.
When we get back to the hotel, we all get on board all of it.